Italian, Russian, and Macedonian, do not hesitate to call me or book me. I can travel to your business meeting, I can travel to your business, and I will be more than happy to help you. You can find my email on the description box below. Please feel free to contact me for any kind of interpretation assistance. Okay, so I am creating this series of videos that long ago, probably 2 months ago, Vrapche requested, and I decided to create this series of videos called Abbreviations. And I'm starting to give you a different series of different abbreviations. Hope that they can be useful for you. So this kind of abbreviation series I called measurement abbreviation. We are going to use those every day in our interpreter job. So I'm going to give them to you, and I hope you guys like it. You comment, you share, you watch it, and you write a comment about it. Number one is, I'm gonna put him in the picture on the top. Actually, I think it makes sense. This is foot, English measurement. Dia for diameter, easy. IN or inch for inch. MI for mile. LB for pound. I don't know, I always get confused when they say LB. OZ for ounce. Then European ones. cm, centimeter. We all have centimeters in Europe, and there is inches in America. Mm for millimeter. Cm is kilometer. Km is kilometer. In America is mile. Kg is kilogram. We are kilograms in Europe, you're pounds here. SQ is square in America. Min or M, I just write sometimes M, sometimes MIN for minute. And H for hour. That was my short video about how to create abbreviations with measurements and times, American and European style of measurements. I personally write the first alphabet, which is sufficient for me, but maybe this abbreviation could be more helpful for you. Thank you for liking, watching, subscribing, and sharing. I hope this video was useful for you, and I hope you have a wonderful day despite the home isolation. I think the home isolation is a good or a perfect time to study or to do something that you always wanted to do, study something, work on something. I personally work on my Macedonian language because it's my weakest language, and I read and make these videos for you. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for being here, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.